Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all messages on Instagram at once. The process will be really simple and easy, and it will be similar for Android and for the iOS as well. First, make sure you are connected with the internet and then open the Instagram application. Tap on this messenger icon in the top right corner, and here you can see there is no option given to delete all messages at once. You can delete individual messages, but it will take time. So for deleting all messages at once, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and then tap on these three bars in the top right corner and go for this settings and privacy. Now tap on this account center, and here you have to scroll down and tap on this business tool and controls, and you need to tap on this switch account type. You need to switch your account into professional account. I am already on my professional account, so you have to switch your account into the professional account. Now go back to your messages, and here you can see that there is the new option added. And now if you tap on these three dots here, you can see this new option here. Tap on it and you can see this select chats. So now you can select the chats like this, and then you can delete all messages at once. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.